Hello there. Welcome to my channel. Today we are diving into top 5 Craiyon AI alternatives. Number 1. DALL E3. Imagine being able to turn your wildest dreams into reality with just a few words. That's the magic of DALL E3, the latest marvel from OpenAI. Picture this. You describe a cozy cabin nestled in the heart of a snow-covered forest, and in seconds, DALL E3 creates an image so vivid you can almost feel the crisp winter air. It's not just about creating images. It's about capturing emotions, stories, and visions that words alone can't express. Whether you're a marketer needing that perfect visual punch, an author dreaming of the ideal book cover, or a creative soul looking to bring your imagination to life, DALL E3 is like having a digital artist by your side, ready to paint whatever you can conjure up. It's a tool that feels less like technology and more like a gateway to endless creative possibilities. Number 2. Midjourney. Step into the world of Midjourney, where creativity knows no bounds. This isn't just another AI image generator. It's your personal portal to the fantastical, the abstract, the surreal. Imagine you're an artist, staring at a blank canvas, unsure of what to create next. Then, with Midjourney, you input a few simple prompts, and suddenly, your screen is filled with mesmerizing, dreamlike visuals that spark your imagination. These aren't just images. They're works of art that evoke emotion and tell stories. Whether you're seeking inspiration for a new project or looking to add an artistic flair to your content, Midjourney turns your ideas into masterpieces. It's like having a muse that never sleeps, always ready to help you push the boundaries of what's possible. For anyone who believes that art should move the soul, Midjourney is the perfect companion. Number 3. Stable diffusion. In the world of creative professionals, reliability is everything, and that's where Stable Diffusion shines. Think about the last time you needed a high-quality image for a project, maybe an advertisement or a game concept, and you couldn't afford any mistakes. Stable Diffusion is your go-to tool when precision and consistency matter most. It's like having a trusted, meticulous artist who understands the importance of every detail. Imagine creating a complex scene, a bustling cityscape at sunset, filled with vibrant colors and intricate details, and knowing that Stable Diffusion will render it with perfect clarity every single time. Whether you're working on something big or small, this AI ensures that your vision is brought to life exactly as you imagined it. For those who demand perfection in their visuals, Stable Diffusion delivers with confidence and precision. Number 4. ARTBREEDER. ARTBREEDER isn't just a tool. It's a playground for your creativity, where every blend, every tweak, every new combination opens up a world of possibilities. Imagine sitting down with a group of artists, each bringing their unique ideas to the table, and together you create something entirely new and unexpected. That's the experience ARTBREEDER offers, collaborative creativity at its finest. You might start with a simple portrait, but as you experiment with different styles and elements, you end up with a fantastical creature or a stunning new landscape that you never could have imagined on your own. It's a platform where ideas evolve, where creativity flows freely, and where every creation feels like a journey of discovery. If you thrive on innovation and love to see where your imagination can take you, ARTBREEDER is the perfect tool to help you explore the endless horizons of digital art. Number 5. Simplified. Think of Simplified as the creative partner you've always wanted, but never thought you could afford. It's like having a graphic designer, video editor, copywriter, and social media manager all in one intuitive platform, powered by AI. This all-in-one content creation tool turns your ideas into stunning visuals, captivating videos, and persuasive copy with just a few clicks. No creative block, no technical headaches. Whether you're a startup founder with a million things on your plate, a marketer hustling to keep up with the content demands, or a social media manager looking for that viral moment, Simplified is here to make your life easier. The platform's AI copywriter feels like a magic wand, instantly generating engaging content that speaks directly to your audience's heart. The video editor lets you transform raw footage into professional videos that tell your story in vivid detail, capturing attention in those precious first seconds. And the best part? You don't need to be a pro. Simplified's easy-to-use interface makes you feel like one. Add to this the seamless collaboration tools and the social media scheduler that keeps your content flowing smoothly. And you've got a tool that empowers you to create with confidence and connect with your audience like never before. These are the top 5 Craiyon AI Alternatives 2024.